Thanks for coming by and checking out Pete's Snakebite Kit again. What we're talking about here is building Pete's Cobra. It's a Hurricane Motorsports Cobra, and I'm pretty close to putting the body on, doing some final odds and ends. Let's take a look at some details here. So today's detail, as you may have guessed, is the fan shroud. I got that fabricated at Spector Designs at south of me in Provo, and they did a very nice job on it. It fits, it does what it needs to do, and it looks fabricated. As I mentioned, I'm trying to make this thing look like it's got a few homemade pieces, fabricated pieces on it. For whatever reason, I kind of like that look. So let's take a closer look at it. So there's a fan and the fan shroud. Spector Designs, like I was saying, they did this, fabricated this fan shroud for us. Fits really nice. As you know, if you've been watching, Pete likes using rib nuts. I'm not trying to figure out how to get a hand back in there where you can't get to put a nut in the washer on. But we're gonna mount this on the radiator, get the radiator in. So of course, that's where the radiator is going to go when we get it in. But I wanted to point out a theme I've been doing here is, I've got a few things on here that are fabricated aluminum. You know, these valve covers I bought off of Summit, but they have the fabricated look, and actually Heat Tech did put this bung on for me and welded it on. This filler neck, Spector Designs did that, and they modified this bottom hose fitting. This is a produced coolant reservoir, but it's that fabricated look. So I think this fan shroud really goes with that theme. And this is what this looks like. Get a real shot of it. I think that turned out nice. We're gonna put this in, run the cooling system, burp it. Okay, so I've got the radiator back in with that shroud on that Spector Design built for me. And it turned out pretty good. Fits in there nice. Got no clearance issues, and I think that'll keep this thing cool. All right, so there you have it. The fan's in, the shroud's in, the radiator's in, the cooling system full and burped, and a lot of little odds and ends. A couple of wiring things I need to tidy up before I've got the dashboard all covered up. So I'm gonna get those done. I'm gonna round up some friends and neighbors, gonna drop the body on this thing. Then I'll be able to drive this thing around and see what it feels like to drive a Cobra. That's gonna be pretty cool. Thanks for watching. You know what everybody on YouTube says. Could you like, subscribe, send a comment in? That's what drives all of these things, so I appreciate it if you do that. And if you got a question, if you got a comment, if you got something you're curious about, let me know. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.